So today I'm putting together a bird feeder and camera. So this is pretty cool. So this has a Wi-Fi camera that's solar powered, nice bird feeder. It has a nice bird perch here. So it's really detailed, and I put up this temporary pole, just to get it going and get used to it before I put it back there on my old bird feeder pole. So let's check it out. So first impressions is it looks very Japanese-ish, which is pretty cool, especially if you have a lot of bamboo in your backyard and you got kind of a Japanese theme going here. And many mounting options. This one, I put the tree strap. This way you don't have to screw any screws into a tree. It wraps around a tree and you tighten it with a belt buckle, and that's what holds it up to a tree. You can also put screws, you can mount it on cement, you can mount it in a brick wall. Many mounting options. The mount is super strong. This thing ain't going anywhere. It has a pole mount down here that you can stick a pole in there, so that's pretty cool. I like the roof. It has a Wi-Fi antenna back here, easily screws in. USB charger, which is connected to the solar panel and the solar panel mount with a swivel. This way you could direct it to the sun. Everything comes in the kit. Now let's take a look at the perch. So over here is a perch, and over here you could stick fruit to hold fruit. You slice it and press it on there. You got many different mounting options. It comes with extra fruit mounts, and you screw them into those little screws right there. So they thought about it, well thought out. Then over here you have the seed bin where the seeds slide down. Over here you have a plug for the door, so it's a rubber mount and open for business. Over here you want to put the bird seed in. You twist the top off and you put the bird seed in through the top like that. Pretty cool. Twist on, secure. When you're open for business, you might lose this, but you tilt this up and it has a spot here to secure. Let's put it in there because we're going to be open for business pretty soon. So I finally got it in there because doing it one hand while holding the camera was kind of difficult. So the roof could pop open like this, and you could bulk dump seed into the top, 2 chambers. This way you could put like sunflower seeds in one and another kind of bird seed in the other, and you just snap, close it, simple as that. You could always just do the top, down the chimney, and do it like that. So I have to connect the app, download the app on my phone. You can see the little yellow light is charging with the solar panel, which I just put on. If you put it to power on the USB port, that would be green, showing that it's powering full. So it's gonna power it itself. Looks pretty cool. The colors, that piece of wood is not the most glamorous wood, but it kind of blends in, gives it a old world charm, even though it's a dirty piece of 2x4. So it's gonna be kind of fun to watch. So let's add bird feed and get the camera going and see what's going on. So the bird feeder is now connected to Wi-Fi to my phone through the app. Pretty simple. I put some bird seed in one chamber. You see how it can be split into 2 sections. And this, I assume, is water or some kind of special sugary juices you could put, maybe for hummingbirds. I don't know too much about that. So it's ready to go. So the camera's there, and this is me looking at the bird feeder, and this is the app. Super clear camera. That's really nice quality. So I think I got it pointed down correctly. They say not to point it into the sun. Let's make an adjustment, so you could make adjustment here with the camera. So that's all the way down. Let's see how that looks on the camera app. So you see the bird feeding tray better. Maybe taller birds on the perch can't be seen too well. Let's make a compromise like that. Okay, and there we are. So I guess you could put motion detector mode, and I guess a bunch of other modes with this camera. It's a pretty high quality camera, must say. And to me, it's a good looking bird feeder. Now let's wait and see if we get any customers. So I'm at my desk early in the morning and I get my first alert from the bird feeder app. So let's see what showed up. So that's my first customer. And by the time I had the video set up, it was kind of late in the day, so I didn't get any action yesterday. But today I expect a lot of action, and it's pretty cool to be looking at birds and getting a little bit of nature at your workspace, your desk. The alert came in, and it's pretty cool. If you're a fan of birds and have bird feeders or want to have bird feeders, this is a great product. I really like it. It was a little bit assembly required, but nothing that anybody can handle. And it's pretty cool. So I highly recommend this product, and I'll be looking forward to checking out the birds in the neighborhood. Thanks for watching.